Okay, here we are. We're on the way down to change out a front seal on a really good friend of ours, LS pickup truck. What year is it, Juan?
2005 or 6.
Okay, something like that. 5 or 6, doesn't matter. You guys pick it. It doesn't matter. Anyway, so we're going to videotape a little bit of the trip down there. It's not far. It's about 30 minutes away, roughly. We're not going to bore you with the whole trip, but we're leaving now. We're going to stop. We're going to hit Mickey D's.
Need breakfast.
Need the breakfast. About
Big
9
man,
o'clock in the morning.
Big man hungry.
That's right. So, all right. So stick with us, and we'll be back with you when we get there. All right. All right. Bye. All right. Here we are, and here's Michael. Y'all have seen him before. He was at the car show. There you go, having an egg. All right. More to come here in a minute. All right. Juan's under there. Don't know what he's doing. I think he's messing around. I think he's taking a nap. We just had some McDonald's. No siesta for you, senor. No extra bolts?
Yeah. You just have to make sure there's no extra bolts when we're done.
Yeah. Well, you're not doing a good job unless you have extra bolts. Okay, so he's not taking a nap.
Nope.
Hey, you got dirty already.
Yeah. That's what I got this one.
I hear you. Mike was supposed to.
Yeah, there's not a
Pressure
lot of
washer
oil
this-
leaking, but over time,
Oh, it adds up, yeah.
it builds up.
Yeah, your wrench back. I'll take this side off.
But would always tell me like, why are you doing that on the black suit? I think because I earned the black suit.
Right? Didn't I give you one as well? A green one?
Maybe.
They tried to buy us the cap suits,
Yeah.
nap or whatever they're called.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, I want them. And then a couple guys were complaining, like, are y'all gonna wash them for us? I was like, what? Wash your own damn suit.
Right? Yeah. No.
So they wouldn't buy them for us.
Yeah.
Y'all are ridiculous.
Right?
Like a baby.
Yeah. Where you putting your bolts at, Mike? Ah, there you go. Saving them, what? Okay, we're moving the fan. Can't unclip it. I got it. When in doubt, use force.
Right.
Drain it, we could take that hose off and get it in the way.
There it should be. Just throw that in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm talking about your truck. No.
Pretty
this-
easy.
Put a clutch pad on this one.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
No. I'd rather have electric.
All right, now we got some more room. We can actually kind of look at stuff now, Juan.
Yeah.
All right.
So coolant time.
Coolant time.
Right.
Peanut butter jelly time.
I got a creeper, so you don't have to lay on the ground. Unless you feel like creeper.
It's fine. I feel like with the creeper I can put my full force down.
Right?
Some people don't like creeper, they feel like it gets in the way.
Yeah. I try to turn and then the body moves instead of the wrench.
Mm-hmm.
Pliers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, for the drain? Drain plug?
I don't think it has drain plug.
No, I didn't see it. Why did they quit putting that on there? You know?
I'm not in Rex, just to clarify. Yeah, I don't think I have to remove this bracket.
Okay, that's good. Or the power steering pump?
Yeah.
All right, that's good too. Well, we'll find out, won't we? Right here, can you get this off?
Yeah.
Stick it over here. This one. Oh, it's got its own tensioner down there?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Yeah, mine's fitted.
Oh, okay.
So you have to do the good old zip tie
Right.
to the crank pulley method, and then turn it.
Oh, I hate those clamps too, Mike. Watch out, you're going to get a face full of that shit.
I'm just seeing how I need to adjust the pliers on here.
Might be better to do it from the top, Mike.
Yeah.
That way you won't wear most of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, this was just on there. Take it off and remove the water pump.
Oh, okay.
Boys right here.
There you go.
Where's the bucket?
Right underneath you, right down there by your feet.
It's probably gonna get contaminated, but.
You can never get them things locked together. There she is. All right, well, let's see how good you are. Oh, Mike, I want to tell you how my boy Juan looked out for me yesterday, man. So I needed a new battery for my truck, right? And go to AutoZone because it was AutoZone battery and it died, you know. So they gave me a whole $22 trade-in, whatever. Anyway, I pay for it. We walk out of the truck. He said, "You know, you could have got that cheaper down the interstate." Man,
You didn't ask.
man. Sorry, Juan, you didn't ask. You didn't ask me if there was a rattlesnake next to you about to bite you. Sorry, you didn't ask, dude.
Small enough?
Okay, we're back in business.
No.
You don't have a 10 mil wrench?
No, I have 10 mils.
Oh.
This bracket is on the way. But I mean, you have a wrench, like the actual wrench.
Yeah.
We'll give that a try before we have to remove that.
Yeah.
Because to remove it, I gotta take the compressor off, then the bracket.
That's a plus.
And let's see if it comes all the way out.
You got that cutoff wheel.
No cutting, Mike.
Oh, come on, dude.
Very, very not cutting to it.
Man. It did come out, yes.
That's a plus.
There's.
Yeah.
I gotta do the bottom ones and then take the tops off.
What's that little plastic thing on front of the oil pan?
This?
Yeah.
It's just the wire guard.
Okay.
Just so the wire don't hang too low.
So I have to take the bolts out of the timing cover. There's how many bolts on that cover, Mike? I mean, one?
4.
Just, that's all?
Yeah, on the bottom.
Oh, 4 on the bottom, but then there's a bunch
Top,
around
they're
it.
probably like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10.
All right, so
14 probably altogether.
See, this is where the finger experience comes in handy.
oh yeah.
Ladies, date mechanics.
That's right, date mechanics. They're good with their fingers.
Once they get old, they start cramping up, so.
Yeah. Who, the ladies or the mechanics?
The mechanics.
Yeah.
See, I want to take this thing off.
I'm glad I'm not happening that yet. That's not happened to me yet. Where my hand cramps up.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember how to take the plastic off.
I got the cutoff wheel.
You also got YouTubes.
What?
Could always search before you cut.
What's that for the transmission lines?
No, it's just wires.
Oh.
But it's like, it's a weird setup. I don't know if it's like a clip in.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can't take out. Because with the newer LSs, it's bolted.
Oh, okay.
But I don't want to break it.
Looks like it pushes over.
Is there a bolt over here? Hold on. Engineers, huh?
Right. They should be forced to work on their own designs.
Mm-hmm.
Then they'll go, oh yeah,
We make enough money, we don't have to.
right? You boys designed this stuff. I got the cutoff wheel.
It's probably still the stock one, so it's gonna be stubborn. Let me start from down here.
There she be.
Oh yeah, she was leaking.
Got her.
I mean, she's not
How hard
bad.
would it be to take it
It's
off?
just- She's not like bad, but
So you had to pull the oil pump off and everything too. How loose is it, one?
I mean, it's got a little play, but it's like after the fact, so
Yeah,
it's
okay.
not too bad.
Yeah, I've
it's
seen
not
a whole-
saggy.
Seen them a whole lot worse.
Yeah,
I don't raise hell with this truck.
No, no.
but whenever I would wait till whenever you do the cam.
Okay.
This is within what, like a year and a half?
Okay, here we are. We got it all apart. Get everything cleaned up. Take you over here to the new seal. There's the old seal. Yuck. New seal. Yum. A little bit of grease around it so it doesn't run dry. Okay, because here's Juan. There's back of Juan's head. He's putting the gasket on there. Oh, that's right. That's for the ones for the underside, right? Yeah. So you had to go underneath anyway for that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then when I go down there, you can start tightening them from the top.
Okay. It won't bother you with them sealing on the bottom?
No, because it'll push it in.
Okay. Okay, and we're going to take and tighten all these up. I'll be back. Okay, now we put the pulley installer tool in there. We had to find the right one. We got the right one now. Okay, she's ready to go.
Need the pulley.
What for? And I know it doesn't have to go on there a certain way.
And then
Yep.
Then we have a socket big enough for this shit.
Yep.
You're fine, I got it.
I'm kind of wiggling it on.
Oh, wow, until we start pushing.
Yep. All right. Sure, one tells me, I got it. Don't touch it. What's wrong with you? I got it. I can do it by myself. Yeah. One ooga dooga, two ooga doogas. Whole bunches of ooga doogas. So one's putting on the AC belt. Little tiny itty bitty baby belt. Oh, the 13? Putting the fans in, just need to be hooked up. Because that makes them work a lot better. Isn't it weird?
Electricity.
Yeah, I know. Go figure.
It's okay. I know where most of them are.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Culante.
Colante.
Thing's a badass picture.
Yes, sir. All right, so right now Mike is
All that oil.
spraying down all the pulleys and everything, because when you get antifreeze on it and then you go put your serpentine belt on it, it starts squealing, and you'll never get it to stop squealing if it's got antifreeze on the pulleys or any of them. So it'll drive you crazy. You'll end up buying a new belt. So, and it's just using carb cleaner, that's all. Or let me see, for our Mexican friends, limpiador para pisadero. What, frenos? What is that?
Amigos, you gonna roll them
No, what is that?
better.
Oh, frenos.
No, read the whole thing.
Limpiador para piezas de frenos.
There you go. See that? That's what I said. That's what I said. Of course, it didn't sound like that, but all right, yeah,
Close enough.
close enough.
Putting some of this.
So I need you to take one in all our videos that we put on there. I need you to make another video and just say all it in Spanish. In Spanish.
Spanglish.
Spanglish, yeah.
So what he said is,
Yeah.
blah, 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 blah.
Okay, so this is the boring part, y'all. So we're gonna end the video here, and hopefully the leak stopped. Well, it should. The other seal was like really bad. It was hard. Yo,
How long did it take?
I don't know. What time is it now?
12:30. Yeah. I would say 3 hours,
Yeah,
because we spent 30 minutes finagling.
that's true. That's true. Okay.
It's not bad.
So the moral of the story is, get the right tools. No, me and Juan are going to fix that later. We'll do a video on that too, of me modifying those jaws. We'll put it on my milling machine and repairing the jaws and making them better. So that was an eBay tool that Juan bought, and that Evil Bay, and that's fine. I mean, hey, you got to do what you got to do, right? Okay, but anyway, and we'll modify them jaws and make it a lot better so they don't pop off, because that's what was happening. They kept slipping off. Anyway, so yeah,
For themselves already though, so.
that's right. So, all right, so we're gonna sign off. Don't forget,
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe, and hit that notification button. Hit that notification button. Mike, what are they supposed to do?
Like and subscribe.
And hit that notification button.
Yeah.
All right, later, people.